Lukas sedang bakarar dekat iwe dunyo persyak kajeng arsam yano de bantin.
Meanwhile, when a crowd of many thousands had gathered, so that they were trampling on one another, Jesus began to speak first to his disciples, saying, "Be on your guard against the yeast of the Pharisees, which is hypocrisy. There is nothing concealed that will not be disclosed, or hidden that will not be made known. What you have said in the dark will be heard in the daylight, and what you have whispered in the ear in the inner rooms will be proclaimed from the roofs. I tell you, my friends, do not be afraid of those who kill the body, and after that can do no more. I will show you who you should fear. Fear him who, after your body has been killed, has authority to throw you into hell. Yes, I tell you, fear him. Are not 5 sparrows sold for 2 pennies? Yet not one of them is forgotten by God. Indeed, the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Don't be afraid. You are worth more than many sparrows."
Kakubor babau turai Duriap bat puson Kano gadakot Kano kakentin Ne ka benta na kane ka gospel Kabasyo jeng mut Bat kata ia ka mensin Puson Rikendong ya ka Bat em seni ya ka Bagi pai ba kidang ya lum daki hajar hado baki lakum ya yu para maki ujisu ulakan cua haki sedran jemu tusumar nak utiat ki parisi ngamut kading arsap ya kabala set en sapet pau ya kabala puri en sase madan de kom ya ka ek bapi om ha kabadum en sayo sgeu ha basai badia ka ek bapi cu ya kren siau ha ka kambra bala kangkok en sapata jam melot numnya ngoong api kolok jonga wating ya kitu ki bapenyap ya kamet here ki bomla bande palat ya kata ngan pen api ya no de banting to ting ya uta uba enda openyap udan bor ban pendok hapok dujok hoi ya kento ya pi to cep ting ya atau kim diar bisa santeli gisemye penban wat ya kawe naki ublei umplet wat ikisnyu halor ka kli jong pi la new kum ta wat cep tin pi kam chong dor ban ya jipun gisemye